In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge. You will see the familiar blue and white logo on your computer screen. Click on it to launch the browser. As it opens, you may notice your usual homepage, which could be a search engine or a specific website you frequently visit. This step is essential because opening the browser is the starting point for managing your chat history. Once it is open, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click the Copilot icon if it is available, or you can open Copilot directly. The Copilot icon looks like a small assistant or helper symbol, usually located on the upper right corner of the browser window. This feature is designed to enhance your browsing experience by providing assistance with various tasks. If you do not see the icon, you can still access Copilot through the browser menu. Opening Copilot is crucial because it enables you to manage your chat history effectively. You will see a new interface appear, indicating you are ready to move forward. Now click your profile icon. This is typically located near the same area as the Copilot icon, often accompanied by your profile picture or initials. By clicking on your profile, you can access account-related features and settings. This step is important because your profile is linked to your chat history, and managing this history is directly tied to your account. Once you click it, a drop-down menu should appear, giving you several options to choose from. From there, go to Privacy or Chat History. In the drop-down menu, look for options labeled Privacy or Chat History. Selecting either of these options is significant because it allows you to see and manage the data associated with your chats. You might notice various settings related to your privacy, including chat history management. Choosing this will guide you to the next step where you can clear your history effectively. Next up, select Delete or Clear Chat History. You will see options that allow you to remove your chat history. Click on either Delete or Clear based on what you see. This action is essential because it ensures that your past chat records are permanently removed. After you make this selection, a prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Take a moment to review this prompt. Confirming your choice is vital as it protects your privacy and ensures that the action is intentional. Once that is done, you will likely see a message confirming that your chat history has been cleared. This message serves as reassurance that your action was successful and that your data is no longer stored. Managing your chat history is a good practice for maintaining your online privacy. Regularly clearing your history can prevent anyone from accessing your past conversations, keeping your information secure. Now you have successfully cleared your chat history in Microsoft Edge. This process is straightforward and helps maintain your online privacy. Remember, staying on top of your digital footprint is essential in today's online world. By following these steps, you have taken an important measure in managing your data effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check back for more tips and tutorials on managing your browsing experience.